That jolt you felt? It's not just failure, it's your system crashing. Listen, you didn't quit because you're lazy. You quit because your operating system couldn't handle the load. Right now, you're trying to run high-performance goals on outdated code. Your willpower. Think of it like RAM. Just temporary memory, easily maxed out when the pressure piles on. And let's be real, your startup disk feels full. Stop blaming yourself. Stop forcing the app to run. It's time to fix the code. Rewrite your system for real, lasting change. Critical error. The cycle repeats. You muster discipline, grind forward, and run out of willpower faster each time. There's a glitch. You've been convinced you just need more discipline, but discipline is a battery drainer. Every time you force yourself with willpower, you leak energy. Eventually, that battery dies. That's why you crash after 3 weeks, stuck in a loop of starting over. Here's the truth. People who succeed aren't running on willpower. They've upgraded their operating system. They use identity. For them, achievement is automated. You're not broken. You're just running the wrong script called struggle. Today, we are going to uninstall it. Now, I cannot recode your entire subconscious in a 3-minute video. Willpower is just your RAM, short-lived, easily drained. Identity? That's your hard drive. Permanent, powerful, always present. Recoding your subconscious requires a manual override. Imagine running a high-performance application on low battery mode. It's no wonder your system keeps shutting down. Stop patching the app. It's time to wipe the drive and install new code. Now, I can't overwrite your entire subconscious in a few minutes, but I can give you the patch. I've exported the code into a free download, the Universal Recode Protocol. This isn't a motivational pep talk. Think of this PDF as a critical patch. It stops your system from crashing and runs a deep diagnostic to show you exactly where your code is broken. You don't need a full operating system overhaul yet. Just get the patch. The link is waiting for you in the comments. Go initialize the download. I'll wait. Okay, while that downloads, here's the command line update. Ignore feelings. Your old OS responds to feelings. That classic, I don't feel like it. That's a virus. To recode your system, separate the user, that's you, from the machine, your body. When your body says, I'm tired, you say, overridden. Execute task. Stop negotiating with the software. You are the architect. You wrote the code. You can rewrite it. Repeat these commands. I am not my habits. I am not my past. I am the architect of my reality. The reboot is complete. The sandbox is open. Go build something legendary. I'm Lori. Welcome to SoulOS.